You are in the right place today if you have mature skin and you want your makeup to last all day long. This is not complicated or fancy. It's not going to cost you a ton of money. Even if you're not really good at makeup, you're going to love this. Hi, how are you today? I am so glad that you're here. If we've not met before, my name's Dawn with Just Doing My Best. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40, women over 50 who just want to look and feel their very best. And I love bringing you simple makeup, affordable skincare. Today is no exception. We're going to set our makeup and we're going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray, but we're going to use it differently. If you've been using setting spray, you apply your entire makeup process and spray your makeup at the end to lock everything in. I'm going to tell you, you've been doing it wrong. Makeup setting spray in and of itself is genius, but you do not need to spend a ton of money on setting spray. There are a lot of great setting sprays out there, but what is the best setting spray for mature skin? I believe it's this one. Truly, I believe it's this one. It gives you sweat-proof, waterproof, moisturized makeup that will stay put all day long. This usually runs $12-ish. Honestly, I buy these in sets of 2. I don't want to be without this. If you are applying mature makeup and you want your makeup to last all day long, to look beautiful all day long, whether it's your daily makeup, whether you're going to an event and you want it to look great all day long, what you really need is a setting spray sandwich. The way we've been taught to use setting spray to lock our makeup in place and to make it bulletproof is to apply all of our makeup and then spray the makeup, let it dry, done. Now it's done. You will look good all day long. But that is wrong. The way that you want to get the maximum benefit out of your setting spray is to spray your face first before applying makeup. Your setting spray is designed to work in conjunction with your makeup, not just be a helmet, but it's made to basically be a bookend. What you want to do is apply your skincare. And in this video here, I showed my very favorite 3-step process to get a beautiful makeup base for whatever your makeup is going to look like for the day. Apply all of your skincare, wait a few minutes, let it soak in. Once your skin is dry, if I want to apply a primer like the one I use in this video, then that would be my very next step after spraying my face. If I want this to be my primer because it is going to help lock in my makeup, then after I spray my face, my very next step is going to be foundation. I'm going to apply 98% of my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and give you a few other tips about our setting spray sandwich. Most people like to apply their final spray of setting spray to lock everything in after 100% of their makeup is on. I like to do it right before I apply my lipstick and before I apply my mascara. So I do have lip liner on. I do not have lipstick or lip gloss, and then I don't have mascara. My final spray of setting spray, and then I will apply my favorite L'Oreal lipstick, which is in the color Fairest Nude. I will leave that down in the description, and I'm going to add the Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. So let's give this makeup a final spray. Now I'll apply my lipstick and mascara. Where I live in the South in the summertime, it is 70, 80, 90% humidity. The air is just disgusting. This is how I get my mature makeup to look great and to last all day long from morning to night. a setting spray sandwich. This is how you get the maximum benefit out of setting spray. Spray your setting spray before applying a stitch of makeup. Apply all of your makeup. I like to do all of it except for lipstick and mascara. A spray or 3 or 4 of my setting spray, and then apply lipstick and mascara. That keeps my eyelashes from sticking together. That's why I spray and then apply my lipstick and then apply my mascara. That's my setting spray sandwich. That's how you get sweat-proof, bulletproof, gorgeous makeup from morning to night. If this was helpful, I hope that you'll like this video. Consider subscribing. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.